Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a hanging indent in Canva. This formatting style is commonly used for lists, citations, and references, helping keep text organized and easy to read. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, we will start by inserting a text box. Let's make it bigger so we can work more precisely. Here we have a block of text. When we want to create a hanging indent, all we need to do is press Shift plus Enter on the keyboard. This creates a manual line break so we can keep typing on the next line. Once we are done, we simply press Shift and Enter again. Let's move this to the left side so we can indent it here. As we can see, we use the spacebar to indent the text. Press Enter, then use the spacebar again and type the next line. We just need to indent each new line, and that is how we create a hanging indent in Canva.